Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off inverted camera on an iPhone. So if you want every front camera photo you took on your iPhone to remain inverted, then you need to turn on inverted camera. But if while using the front camera photo, you click on the shutter button and now you don't want the picture to be inverted, then this video is going to walk you through how to disable or turn off inverted camera on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the settings page, locate and click on camera. On the camera page like this, scroll down, locate and disable mirror front camera. If front camera is enabled, this is going to turn on inverted camera on your iPhone. Now to turn off the inverted camera, then turn off mirror front camera. Once you turn off mirror front camera, then you are good to go. Now when you took a picture with your front camera on your iPhone, the inverted camera will be disabled. And this is going to be normal for your camera based on your choice. So that is basically how to turn off or disable inverted camera on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.